It's been it's been a whole year ever since the PJ Masks Power Heroes have came to Disney. Tonight, we're gonna draw one of the new antagonists for PJ Masks Power Heroes. Tonight, we're gonna draw an alien known as Gloop the Third. I know it's a bit random. I never would have thought that they would have a name with an ending known as the Third. Amazing. Gloop the Third? How interesting. He has come from a long line of an alien race known to splat and glop up a lot of... Well, he's been known to glop up many extraterrestrial realms. He has glopped up many planets. And he has an assortment of brothers known as Gloopets. Whatever that means. There we are. Here's his cockpit. Anyway, his family race has been known to take over many planets, and his family has actually glomped them. Oh yeah, I already said that already. Sorry about that. I've been having a bit of a glitch issue. Anyway, we're drawing what he looks like with his helmet on. But to be honest, he looks kind of amazing with his helmet on. And for this, we're adding PJ Masks music to it. Alexa, play Make Your Move.
Make Your Move by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Is everybody ready to move like the PJ Masks? Okay then, make your move. You want to run like Catboy? Make your feet go fast. You want to run like Catboy? Power up and blast. Run on the spot. Super cat speed, give it all you got. Run on the spot. Come on now and don't you stop. Running on the spot will keep you in the groove. Be just like the PJ Masks and make your move. You wanna fly like Owlette, zooming through the sky. You wanna fly like Owlette.
Flap your wings and fly.
Flap, flap, flap your wings.
There he is, everyone.
In the air.
That's how I draw Gloop the Third.
Flap your wings, you can do it anywhere.
Here are his hives
Flap your wings up
on his crests.
higher than the roof. Be just like the PJ Masks and make your move. All right, who's next? Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, 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 Gecko! Here we go! You want to be strong like Gecko? Power is the key. If you want to be strong like Gecko, then flex
And
along
done.
with me. Flex, flex,
That's how I draw Gloop the Third. To draw more from PJ Masks Power Heroes, be sure to check out the playlist on extra characters, and I'll draw those very soon. Good night, guys.